So this is Citizen EcoDrive Chronograph Sport Luxury Radio Control Gray Tone with stainless bracelet, watch 43 mm. See, it's beautiful. Color is so unique. See, look like rose gold titanium. See, there is a calendar. And this is featuring atomic timekeeping functionality. Okay. This radio control Citizen chronograph self-adjusts to time or calendar when traveling overseas by receiving local time signals in 4 different regions. So there's a dial red chronograph with date window. See, movement 3-hand quartz. Beautiful, right? And the case is round case 43 mm. See guys. And the strap also is a gray tone stainless steel bracelet with folding clasps. And this is water resistance to 100 meters. And this is powered by EcoDrive, harnessing both natural and artificial light and never needing a battery. This is the good thing for a Citizens, and this is made of Japan. See, so I'm going to get this from Citizen EcoDrive. Looks good. So this is around 600. Yeah, 600 with the discount of it's 450. Yeah, so we're going to take now, and later we're going to unbox this Citizen EcoDrive.
2,000 years later.
This Citizen, kung ngayon maglagay sa akin. Wow, amazing. Kamay mo lang. Oo, kamay mo lang. Pakita mo naman yung pag ano, yan. Wow, maganda oh. Wow. Sisukat mo ngayon sa akin. Wow. Unbox. Ang ganda ng color, no? Amazing. Wow. It's beautiful, right? Ganda siya. This is look like black titanium, right? Seems like black titanium. Diba? Box. Okay na.